So if Messi and Ronaldo, if not their prime be this, so now 1 million or like 1 billion they could sell them now. Why Chelsea? I don't know whether Chelsea or I go see Xabi Alonso. They go for this old man. Who know whether Arsenal fit make am? Because if Arsenal fit make am, he go, he go strong go. This transfer window, I don't know whether players now don't turn private jets
So
because the money where they pay for
I don't
players.
know whether we can the now money will use the do football now. I
Like
don't know whether football now money now be just the passion. Say you want play for that particular
small
club. So.
Morgan Rogers, they don't sell am like 117 million euros. Why? Why? Okay. Even my own club still go waste money for Elliot Anderson. Say we dey sign at 160 million. Everybody just okay. When transfer window first open, Barcelona rush sign Gordon for 90 million. Everybody they say
say it too much.
It's too much. Now Morgan Rogers don't tell us say me.
I never very expensive.
I never very expensive. Elliot Anderson come talk say una never even see me. Now the thing they come start even. Sandro Tonali and Matheus Fernandes of Tottenham. Matheus Fernandes keep am for 100 million. Sandro Tonali saying 90 and 100.
The way Tottenham just spend money now.
Tottenham just inflate the market like any small. So if Messi and Ronaldo, if not their prime be this, so now 1 million or like 1 billion they could sell them now.
Now big boys the way they pay now. So they could sell them around that kind of 1 billion euros.
So now. The team just dey very, very frustrating. But
what I want even talk say all these players wey they buy like this, say whether they go perform well. I mean, we just they spend money.
You know, say no.
Let me say as they spend money, say the league don't shop for yourself. Now I don't say you guys spend money when the player just enter your club now. You can't know whether he go come perform well. I mean, no go perform well.
One thing about transfers is. You never dey sure say this player go dey okay for your club.
Yeah.
Whether he go adapt to the club system. And most of them now, as they enter the club, now new manager did the club. So you don't know whether he go adapt to the club football, that kind of thing. Okay, time when Man City waste 100 million for Jack Grealish, waiting turn up. Jack Grealish, na my club maybe, but no be waiting with the expect, now waiting later turn up from him.
Yeah.
But still, he ain't really trying best. But that one, but like my own, be say the market now they very, very toxic and expensive.
Yeah,
I swear. Even as I hear Vinicius to Arsenal. Vinicius still get 1 year contract remaining, and in there about 390k per week.
Yeah.
For Real Madrid. So if Arsenal want to negotiate with them, they go just increase in money to maybe 400k. We go make him highest paid footballer per week.
Yeah.
So, but who know whether Arsenal fit make him? Because if Arsenal fit make him, he go strong go. And I also want to talk why Chelsea. I don't know whether Chelsea or I go see Xabi Alonso. They go for this old man.
They go for old men we don't get experience. And people don't get experience for football, club, Premier League, and so on. So there are people where they go for. People where don't really know their pattern and they know say if in play with them for that club, say they go adapt and they know how the football works. So now why people say old men when they go for than young players. But you know say now young players wey chase just the pack sense, but him just come now old players wey he want. So now just in own type of play say he want play with old men. But maybe we'll see how next season go be because the way everyone they do their own transfer, man you just they do their own.
Just decide. Man you just the quiet season. Man you not do anything.
They all sign Telemans now, San and the Santos. So now maybe just they watch out how whether they go see sign more. If man you go see sign more, or they don't do okay with their attack as it just do like that. So now maybe we just watch out, sha. But maybe know what I think whether the way transfer windows they go now, whether now so it's supposed to be whether club they buy expensive player or they just spend money anyhow. But maybe watch out how next season go be. Next season na soon where you go start, sha.